In this video, you'll learn how to use a character generator tool to add capital letters to Discord channel names. First, select the text channel you want to edit from the server menu. Then open the Edit Channel options to begin changing its settings. Next, choose the Overview section to access the basic channel details, allowing you to update the channel name. Click on the channel name field so you can type or paste your preferred channel name. Now, use a character generator tool to create text with capital-style letters. Enter your desired word, then copy the generated result to use in your channel name. Return to Discord and paste or type these special characters into the channel name field. Then preview your changes in the Overview section. Before finalizing, check for any unsaved changes and confirm your update to ensure the new channel name takes effect. You now know how to use custom capital letters in Discord channel names.